Hi guys, I hope you're doing well. Today video we are going to be styling this hoodie with these three trousers in a nice way. We got two jeans and one joggers in a nice coolest way. I can't wait to style this hoodie with these and it's gonna be looking cool. So just wait, you're gonna see how they're gonna turn out. They're gonna really looking cool. So in case you have this kind of hoodie, you can style it in a different way and they're gonna looking really cool on you. So my coolest people, my beautiful people, let's go. You guys can see the way they feel they look with the joggers. I like it. With the chunky sole lovers, that's cool. If you don't have chunky sole lovers, you can use your trainers, white, black, or brown. It looking cool. So I like everything. Look, does it not look cool? It does. It does. Very smart, very kind of cool, very streetwear vibe as well. I like the way he look. I just like it. Very smart. The jogger is just very smart, very nice as well. Thing on it. I just like the print as well. You just make the joggers look kind of cool and with the chunky sole over that I put it on, everything just nice. It's just simple, just cool. I like the vibe as well. So make sure you put your wristwatch, your bracelet, your necklace as well. You see, I put mine on. You need to put yours as well because it's gonna looking really cool on you if you put it on. If you don't mind, if you don't like it, that's fine. But I'm just giving you another different tips, another different hacks to upgrade your style in different way. If you put your rings, your bracelets, your wristwatch, your necklace, it gives the change. It gives the outfit be more kind of nice, more kind of unique, and bring himself out more and cool. And you're gonna check yourself in the mirror like, I think he look cool on me. Honestly, I like this really as well. The way he look with the joggers, I just like it. Very simple and very nice as well. Do you guys know see it properly? I like it. I can't lie, you guys. I like it. I like the vibe as well. Very nice, very cool. Honestly, very simple as well. I like it. Just cool. Just nice. I like how everything turned out. The white, different color. The hoodie is just nice as well. I can't lie, I can't say anything about this hoodie because it's just looking cool. And with the jogger just complements everything. And with the chunky solos, amazing, amazing. If I want to even want to show a little bit more swag to it, then I carry the toe, but on the backpack. Look, a little bit. If you have your backpack, you see, it look cool. And I know you got your own backpack, so you can style it this way. You don't need to put it on the back. But if you want to put it on the back, like you're going to college or uni, you can still put it on. You stay looking cool. Look at that. Stay looking cool. You see the way it look on me. It looking nice. You see? You guys can see properly. Does it look cool? Yes or no? It does. It will look cool on you if you use style it this way. I like the vibe. I didn't even know it's gonna looking cool like this. I just try it. I always carry on like hoodie, but different vibe, different hack, different style. Let me put my sunglasses on. That's another different vibe as well. What do you guys think? Does it look cool? Yes, it does. And that's how it's gonna looking cool on you. I like this vibe. I like it. Does it look looking nice? Think he does. I don't even want to let it go. It's just cool. And that's how it's gonna looking cool on you. You need to try it. I'm feeling the vibe. Are you guys not feeling it? Because it's just cool. That's how it's gonna looking cool on you. Honestly, I like it. I like it. The vibe. Honestly, I can't lie, you guys. It's just too cool. I like the vibe. I'm just keeping repeating my face because it's cool, and I want you to be cool. You know how you're gonna be cool if you style it like this. If people recognize you like you're being cool, and they'll be giving you low compliment because they have a low cool on you. Why they're not gonna give you compliment? They will because they will see something unique on you, and they will say you look cool. They will even like kind of give you that compliment you deserve because you deserve it. If you style it this way, the way I'm styling this hood, you deserve compliment, and you're gonna receive low compliment. So I like it. I like it. I don't want to even kind of let it go. I'm just enjoying the vibe as well because it looks cool. So my coolest people, let's move on to the second one. See the way he look with the jeans, with the plain jeans as well, and the trainers. I like it. I like it. The trainer just look cool because it's going on, and with the lace and right on top of the hoodie, it kind of go. The color just match. The color just match with the trainers. I love it. I love it. It's just nice. The vibe just simple. It's just cool, and you just keep it calm, kind of different. You guys don't see what I'm looking at. I'm looking something different, kind of simple, kind of cool, kind of nice. You can see if you look at me properly, you can see it's looking cool. The way I make the hoodie look, the color just calm, cool, nice and fresh as well. I like it. And if you style it this way, you're gonna receive a lot of compliment. You see how the color look, the green trainers, they go with the hoodie written on top of the hoodie is kind of cool together. So I just make sure they're looking kind of smart, kind of straight whereby. And I like the way the jean like sits on top of the trainers. Very nice as well. Very cool. Different vibe. Don't forget if you haven't watched me from the beginning, you can just try. Oh, your necklace on, you're still looking really cool. Really nice as well. I like it. I like it. Nice. Nice, isn't it? Very cool. Very. Actually, this is something about this style. This is something about it very kind of unique, kind of different. I just like it. I just like it. Just cool. If I top you up with the sunglasses, just gonna make it even more better as well. Yeah, I said to you, this is something. You see the green. This is something with the green and blue about this outfit that I like. I just like it, and it's just cool. If you styling the way I'm styling right now, you're gonna be receiving a lot of compliment. I bet you. I bet you. I bet you people will be giving you a lot of compliment because why they're not gonna be giving you a lot of compliment? Because if you cool thing like this, it, it have to be cool on you too. Because there's no magic in there. Because if you look cool like this, the way I pull everything together with the trainer, with the jeans, with the hoodie, with the sunglasses, oh, this is gonna be cool. You're gonna be looking really cool, even though you don't have the same sunglasses. If you style your hoodie, like I did, where I'm styling right now, you have blue jeans, right? You have green trainers, right? Yeah, check. You have a black hoodie, check. Even though they write something on top of mine, yours, they might not write something on top of yours. Or in front of yours. So you can see styling in different way, like the way I'm styling right now, and it's gonna looking really cool. So I like it. I can't lie. I like it. I like it. It's just cool, just vibing, just chill as well. If I even want to make it again, the toe bag just gonna suit it. Wait, I haven't put the toe bag on. You see the way he look. Then when I put the toe bag on, you will see something with the toe bag. What do you say with the toe bag? What do you guys say? You see something, right? And I know that's what me too. I saw very kind of cool, kind of nice, vibing. You see, I can tell it just brings something different to your outfit. Any bag you carry, it's not purse. Any bag, any accessories you put on, you just change your outfit. You just take it to another level. You just upgrade your style. You just make it kind of cool, kind of unique, kind of different. You take your fashion sense to another planet where you have to be because it's amazing. It's amazing vibe as well. I like it. Your wristwatch, your bracelet, your ring, your necklace, your sunglasses, your toe bag, it's just too cool. It's too nice. So if you try like this, you're gonna be cool. I'm giving you that confidence. You need to, and people, you're gonna be getting a lot of compliment from anybody on the street. They're gonna be giving you a lot of compliment. Bet you'll come back more. You tell me like they be giving you a lot of compliment because you can feel it, right? I'm feeling it right now because I'm in the mood. Because they look cool on me. Why is not gonna look cool on you? Nice vibe, nice vibe. So let's move on to the next one. I like it. I like the green, the color. You just go. The jeans, you just make everything looking nice together with the hoodie. I told you, they're gonna be really looking nice. See how the number one, number two, the last one, it look. I like it. I can't lie you. I don't even know which one to pick. Honestly, they're all looking cool. You see what I told you? You need to come back for more. There's gonna be no tips. There's gonna be no wearing. There's gonna be no tricks and so on. So there's gonna be more styling. It's gonna be cool. You just have to come back because I can't lie you. There's a more coming. There's a more still coming. You see the way this look nice. And that's how it's gonna looking cool on you. You see the way I make it look. White trainers. You put your jeans on, then you put this type of hoodie on. If you don't have this kind of hoodie, you can put the black hoodie on. It look cool. It look cool. And with the jeans as well. I like the jeans kind of rugged, kind of cool. Different green. I like it. It's just amazing. Ah, and with the pink going on with the jeans as well. It's just vibing, just a vibing. I like it. It's a streetwear rugged style. Amazing. Amazing. And that's how it's gonna looking for you because I like the vibe. I like it. This is how I want you to style it. If you have this kind of jeans, style it this way. It's a flare jeans as well. It's not kind of straight or baggy. It's a flare, and I like it. It's kind of skinny and like bottom there, kind of different style, different swag as well. I like it in the street way as well. Look, you're gonna looking really cool if you see you style. If you style the way I'm styling right now, 100%, you're gonna be receiving a lot of compliment. I'm giving you that confidence right now. I'm giving you. You need to embrace it. You need to take it because people will be complimenting you the way they compliment me. So why not receive that compliment? Because they look cool like this on me. So definitely, if you style it the way I'm styling right now, it's gonna be looking cool on you too, and you're gonna be looking dapper, really stylish as well, really fresh. See, just clean your shoe, your jeans, put your necklace on, your bracelet, your wristwatch, your rings. You're good to go. You're good to go. Amazing, amazing. If you want to make it be to another level to upgrade yourself, you top it up with the sunglasses, it's gonna be cool. Take it to another different planet like you was not expecting, then vibing. I'm gonna do it now because I like it. So you need to try it. If you don't like it, just try. Give it a go. Then you're gonna see they're gonna look in really cool. Yeah, I like the vibing. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Nicely looking cool. I just like one thing came to my mind. So I'm gonna carry the tote bag and the backpack. So you guys can see in case you're going a long day or you're traveling. You can carry the tote bag, the backpack, and the tote bag. And it's still stylish at the same time. What do you think, guys? It look cool, right? I know. Look, does it not look cool? Look, if you walk into the airport like this, you're gonna be receiving a little compliment. People will be, they will be like kind of giving you what you desire. Look, it cool, yes or no? The Lord gave you back and just like that, and walking, just vibing. Even though you're going to play soccer or play football or go and do any type of sport, you can still go like this. It looking cool. I like the way this look. I was not even thinking about that. It just suddenly came to my mind and I was need to show you guys. You see, another tips, another hacks. I'm just giving you guys another wearing. You see, this is the it doesn't come often. It comes once one. I'm giving you to you guys. You need to take it. You need to embrace it because people will be giving you no compliment. I like the vibe. I can't lie. The vibe just nice. I like the vibe. If you don't like the vibe, guys, it's just cool. Look, it does. It does. Honestly, I can't 100% sure. It looking kind of stylish. Look, any type of way you want to say it, I can keep on going. Like I just like it. I can't lie, you guys. You just do cool. They give you something unique, kind of something different. The tote bag, the backpack, the sunglasses, the bracelets, the ring, everything total. Just give your outfit be more kind of nicer, kind of coolest, and people will see that. Like, I think this guy is cool and they will be giving no complaints. So when you start it this way, there's no guarantee you will never, no one, they won't give you complaint. There's no, I bet you're gonna receive no complaint because why not? Because if someone see you cool, they will. they will appreciate the coolest. Look at that. It's nice. I just like this hoodie. The way I make the first one, the second one, the last one, look, I can't even pick any. I don't know which one you're gonna pick. The first, the second one. You know what? You need to go to the comment section. Let me know. What do you think? Which one do you think is your style? Which one do you think you can pray on? Which one do you think you can go with the vibe? Me, I think I go with the one, then I go with the two, then I'll go with these because they're all cool in their own way, in different vibe. So why not liking the three of them? So you need to. So let me know your mind. Let me know your opinion. Let me know what you think when you first see the first one and the second one and the third one. Which one do you think it come to your mind? Like, I think I like that. I think I'm gonna wear that. I think it's look cool like that. So go to the comment section. Let me know. Let me know. Drop their comment. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like my video and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you lovely people another day. Take care.